Hello everyone, greetings to the curious mind who have attended in this subject, and that is mathematics. As we gather with this virtual classroom, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the depths of your knowledge in this subject. By the way, I'm your instructor. My name is Dexter Coraje, and I'm here just to guide you through this exploration of learning. Set back and relax, okay? Before we go further to the proper lesson, I sent with you yesterday the respective group where you assigned. And we have 8 respective groups, as you can see here in the screen, in this preliminary activity. You're already knowledgeable with this game because we already performed this one last time. So this is now the same with what we have done last time, and that is secure game. Each member of the group must have the following. Now let's start our game. So let's have our spin of the wheel. Okay. Stop. Okay, group 8 will answer the problem number 1 and 2. Okay, I will give you 20 seconds for you to answer. Time is up. What's your answer for number 1? Okay, that's correct. The answer for that is ASA. How about for number 2? Your answer is what? I cannot hear you. Okay, read it loudly. Okay, now your answer is side angle or SAA, and that is correct. Let's proceed to the question number 3 and 4. I have to spin the wheel, so good luck. Okay, who's the next group? Okay, group 7 will answer problem 3 and 4. I will give you the 20 seconds for you to answer this one. Identify the following given triangles if it is SSA, SSS, SAS, ASA, and SAA. Timer stop. What's your answer, group 7? Your answer is, for number 3, is SSS. You're correct. Your answer is SSS. That is correct. How about number 4? Let me hear you. I cannot hear you. Your answer is SSA. Okay, your answer is SSA, and that is correct. So very good, group 7 and group 8. So let's proceed to the next question. And that problem is 5 and 6. Okay, I have to spin the wheel of the names of the respective groups. Okay, let's spin the wheel. 7 and 8 we're done already, and let's proceed to what group would be next. Okay, and that is group number 1. Okay, I want you to answer group number 1, the problems 5 and 6. I will give you 20 seconds for you to answer. Explain how to find the value of the unknown variables. Okay, stop. How do you get the answer for number 5? Let me hear you. Any representative? Benson? For you to be able to find the variable x or the unknown valued x, you have to make use of the tangent ratio. What is the tangent ratio, by the way? Opposite over adjacent. Okay, your answer is tangent, which is opposite over adjacent because of the given, and that is correct. How about problem number 6? Okay, still the same with problem number 5. What is your answer for number 5? Tangent. You'll be using the tangent for you to be able to get the value of the unknown variable x. tangent, which is opposite over adjacent, and you are also correct. Here's the critical guide questions in order for us to work on the certain tasks. The first question, I want to answer the other group that have not yet answered the certain task. Okay, I want group 2 to answer the problem number 1. The question is, how do you get the kind of triangle in relation to its given? Okay, Raphael, for you to get what's the kind of triangle in relation to its given is we're going to understand what? Okay, we're going to identify what is given, either the side or the angle, angles. So we are going to be familiarized with the SSA, ASA, SSS, side angle side. Okay, that's correct. How about you, group number 3? I want you to answer problem number 2. In getting the value of the side of the given figure, what are the points that you consider? Same thing as what the group 2 has already shared a while ago. What is it? For you to be able to consider the points, you must be what? Knowledgeable in trigonometric ratios, because we're going to identify according to each angle and according to the side based on the known given. What else? You have to be familiarized with what the SSS, ASA, SAS, as side angle angle is all about. So how about you, group number 5, group number 4 rather, give your analysis in performing the triangle and how to get its part. To get its part, we have to be familiarized with what? And what is that? Okay, we have to familiarize with the trigonometric ratios, such as in order for to get the value of the unknown, we have to be familiar that sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is equal to cos adjacent over hypotenuse, then tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. Let's now proceed to the proper lesson. By the way, our proper lesson for today is all about the solving oblique triangle with the ambiguous case of sine law. Okay, of certain objectives that we have to consider is that we're going to understand the concept in different cases wherein the side angle is all about of the given triangle. And then we're going to identify the usage of SSA of the given triangle, and then the other one is we're going to set procedure or step in performing the problem involving SSA triangle. So how do we consider this SSA or the triangle in real life? So as you can see in the given map, the geography of the part of Davao City, Davao City is one of the cities in the Philippines. So if we're going to get the certain area or the certain side, we are going to make use of SSA. So that is the application in real life. Also in physics and ICT, for the navigation, we're going also to consider how the data or the program being implemented or being captured because of the concept of the navigation, and specifically the concept of SSA or the sine law. This would be the things that we're going to know. Take note that we have two given sides. The one is the opposite side and the other one is not an opposite side. So we are going to consider further according to its side. If the first given side, if the opposite side is greater than the other side, then we could consider the three sets of answer. It could be no solution, one solution, or two solutions. But then we're going to solve the sine A, B sine A first. as you get the identify how many solutions do we have and what's that, and that's the option on how to cater with the what you call this ambiguous case. Now we have also, if two given sides is if the two given sides are equal, then we can provide one solution with a triangle. And then if the opposite side is greater than the other side, we can now have one solution. Okay, so these are the questions that we're going to consider. Determine if the sides and the given angle given determine no one or two triangles. All sets contain an angle, its opposite side, and the angle between them. The first problem is A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8, and the angle given is angle A, which is 62.19 degree. So here's now the certain situation. I will be able to solve this for you to identify further why is it to become ambiguous. So take note that the A there, the small a is the side, and the given angle, so therefore we have opposite side 5 and the opposite angle is 62.19. Then, so as we plot the given two sides and a given angle, so we have here A is equal to 5, the side which is opposite to angle B, which is B equals 8, the side opposite to angle A is A equals 5, the angle opposite to side A is 62.19, and it seems that 5 is less than 8, so take note that we are going to cater the option A, the option 1. So we're going to find out the value of H, which is B. H is equal to B sine A. To replace the value of B, which is equal to 8, and the angle A, which is 62.19. So H, now for us to get the value of H, we now have here 8 sine 62.19. So the equivalent value for that is 7.5 units. Take note that in using the calculator, see to it that your calculator must be in the DEG form, so that you can provide the exact not exact answer. Now, as we compare that the given side, the opposite side is 5 less than 7.1, this is our height, then it only say that the A that the answer that we have is no, or no solution, or no triangle, because accordingly, based on the things to know, that if it is A less than B sine A, we now have here no solution, as you can see on the option A. Option A, letter I. Now, I want you to answer the given B. Okay, anybody and must give will give your answer. We'll give you 5 minutes to 2 minutes to answer this far, and I will kindly give your answer in the Google Drive that we have. Okay, the first person, the first student to give the answer is Michael. Okay, to the answer of Michael, let us check. So the given task or the given problem is C is equal to 14, B is 10, and B is 15.45, the angle B. So the opposite side here is side B, and not the opposite side is 14, or the C. So we are going to compare, since B less than C, so check since less than the non-opposite side is 14, so we now have to check, and this is SSA. So as we check it, the answer of Michael is H is equal to C sine B. So replacing the value of B, the C rather, which is 14, then 15.45. So we now have the H, the height is 3.7 units. Since B is greater than H, or just we say 10 is greater than 3.7, we now provide two triangles. Okay, let's check. So group 1, 3, 5, 7 will answer problem number 1. 2, 4, 6, 8 will answer problem number 2. That would be, and I want you to have this one, in 5 minutes. Okay, I will just post your answer on the Google Drive, the files given there, the file folder there. Okay, and so to join us further, we can provide no triangle if A is less than H. If we have the H is equal, so we can now provide a set of right triangle, and we can now have one triangle. We can also provide two triangles if the H is greater than A but less than B. Then we can provide also one triangle if A is greater than or equal to B. So we are going to check the side, which is A each. Okay, for your evaluation, another group activity, all odd numbers will answer odd numbers also, all even numbers group and will answer group uh, prob problems 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, are you done? I think, okay, there's only one group left. Okay, thank you group 3 to send your answer on your folder. Okay, for your quiz, I want you to answer 1, 2, 3, and I want you to pass it on still the same with our Google Drive.